birthday.
Ayan. Okay. Good morning, everyone. And good evening, my dear Zumba Bells. So, but before we start, welcome muna natin si Lori. Welcome to the Philippines, Lori. Okay, sana ma-enjoy mo yung stay mo dito sa Philippines. Okay, so let's start.
Thank you.
Okay, so today mark the celebration of our dear Zumba Bells, Louis, who just turned 60. And si Louis. Louis, who just turned 60, and welcome to the senior world. And of course, Irma, our very own dancing queen. and last but not the least, of course, Annie, the super girl of JPIA. Very strong personality. So, okay, to start our celebration, may we call on Rose for our opening prayer.
Okay, let us put ourselves in the presence of God.
Sandali lang, Rose.
Wait, akala ko silver ang suot. Ba't naka-blue kayo lahat? Ang nabasa ko silver.
Okay, Rose.
Ano ba?
Wow, Eds, feeling better?
Hindi pa ako nakaligo eh. Pero wala na ako lagnat. Parang hindi na bumalik.
Let us put ourselves in the presence of God. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Father God, thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for the opportunity that we are all gathered here. Bless our coming together, the virtual birthday celebration of our dear Zumba Bell friends, Annie, Louie, and Irma. Keep bestowing upon them your incomparable and amazing blessings. May they continue to touch the lives of their loved ones and us, their amazing Zumba Bell friends. May our virtual celebration be a fruitful one and another day to be treasured by our birthday celebrants. This we ask in Jesus' name. We all say, Amen.
Okay. So thank you, Rose, for that beautiful prayer. Yeah, it's true that not all of us were given a privilege to reach the age of 60. So it's really a blessing. Okay, so moving on, of course, our celebration will not be complete without the virtual cake of Miss Mel. Mel, are you ready for your virtual cake?
Yeah, I'm ready. Sandali lang po.
Kanta muna tayo with your video, Esther.
Okay, so while
Video muna?
Hindi. Kasi kakanta raw happy birthday eh.
Hindi,
Okay.
okay, si Mel muna, let's hear from Mel for the birthday cake that she made for the 3 Zumba Bells.
Yeah.
Kung ano ang
Ganito.
significant ng cake na yan.
I'm here at Lumban kasi nag-celebrate kami ng Feast of Our Salvation yesterday. So I didn't bring anything from home sa Pasita. Try ko kung magagawa kung what can I do for them. Pag ngayon, baka mawala ako, wala kaming internet, hindi ako makakonect. So pagbigyan nyo na ako. So hindi ko rin magawa yung virtual background, bigla ako nawala kanina. I have here a very simple rice cake. Ani, it's a rice cake. I have here 3. Yan, rice cake yan ha. Handa ko kahapon kay Mama Mary. Ayun si Mama Mary sa likod. Yun, wala akong virtual background, sorry. I have here 3 kinds of candles for the 3 different personalities ng ating mga celebrators. Yan. And syempre, sus na Mario, nabasag. As we grow older, gusto natin yung simple na lang. Yan. So the rice cake with the three different kinds of candles that we've been using for almost 3 years ba? I matched it with the tag din tsaa. Twinings
Saan
naman.
na ano?
Yan.
Ginger pa. Ginger ang
Ginger.
anong flavor.
Nag-freeze smell.
Nag-freeze.
Nawala na nga siya ng signal.
Yan na ngayon sinasabi niya na wala siya.
Buti at
Buti
least
na lang.
niya
Buti na lang.
Buti na lang nakakamiss pa ni
Blow
Carlo.
Buti na lang, nasa tsaa na siya.
Bitin.
O, kakanta na tayo.
Mel, okay?
Hanggang nandiyan pa
wala
yung
na kaya
candle.
si Mel?
Kanta tayo.
Hindi na kaya siya makakabalik. Okay, since you're all in the age of
Hi, Louie.
Let me, okay, interruption. Can I get a picture for Louie? Wala pa siyang solo eh.
okay. Ayan na si Louie.
And
Solo ni Louie? Solo ni Louie?
yeah.
Okay.
Pwede
Silog lang muna. Isa pa, one more.
Yan.
Okay, thank
Wow!
you.
Yan.
Talaga naman, handa. Naman.
Okay, ready.
Okay.
Look at your camera, Louie. Look at your camera, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Kaya pala, ano ang tagal lumabas, nakakasilaw.
Oo, talagang ano.
Hindi naman, nagdagdag pa ako ng ng counting beauty. Kung meron
Yeah.
baga.
Shining, shiny.
Siyempre, di ba? Special day ngayon. Okay,
Hindi,
so paano si
kahapon.
Mel? Hindi ba na kaya makabalik si Mel?
Hintayin
Para
natin.
sa
Nandiyan na.
birthday niya?
She's
Birthday
laging
She is
in.
connecting.
Wala
She is
na,
connecting.
disconnected
Ayan
na.
na.
No, no, she is
So-
connecting.
Kabalik,
Mm,
nakabalik yan
ayan.
po
So,
Lindy.
since
Mel,
you're all
Mel, blow
in
the
age
candle
of
also.
60, I
Ayan
I
pala si
chose,
ano.
Mute.
Sige, sige.
Mel, unmute.
Salita ka
Okay.
muna.
I chose 6 pictures of yours. So, pinakailaman ko na yung mga Facebook ninyo para kumuha ako ng 6 favorite pictures nyo. Okay? Dahil
Wala-
nasa
Wala
line
akong
of 6
makukuha
na
sa
kayo.
Facebook ko.
So, and we're gonna sing a birthday song to the 3 celebrants while playing sabayan nyo na lang yung yung video small video na pinrepare ko for the 3 of you. Yan. Yan, okay. Oh, kakanta tayo Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to
Oh, Irma, maganda ka dyan.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday.
Oh, grabe ah.
to you.
Happy birthday
Oh, yes,
to
Silver.
you.
Wow.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Naman.
Yan, okay.
Yes,
So,
Thank you.
happy birthday sa
Thank
ating
you.
mga golden girls, ika nga ni Denise.
Diamond.
Diamond, sorry,
Diamond girls.
Yes, Diamond
Bakit
girls.
Diamond? Oh, then. Okay.
Ang
Oh, yeah,
60th
Diamond,
birthday daw is
60.
Diamond.
50 ang goal.
Yeah, oo.
Ayan na si Mel. Si Mel nakabalik.
Ayan na.
Unmute ka, Mel. Tapos ka na?
Okay. Sorry, nawawala ako talaga. Okay, 1, 2, blow with me. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Blow.
Thank you.
Happy
Sorry,
birthday.
nawawala ako.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Should have brought my cake.
Okay. So, sino bang magsasabi sa kanila na 60 na yung mga yan with their beauty and grace, di ba? Okay, so now let's move on.
Fake
The-
yan.
Let's move on with the fast talk of Mel also.
Me
Gusto
again?
ko yung
Okay.
rice cake, Mel.
Oo. Oo nga, alam ko magustuhan mo to. Okay. Fast talk agad.
Okay.
Andyan din si Irma,
Yeah.
di ba? So, unahin natin.
Here.
Okay.
Bakit?
Siyempre, kasi sasagot ko.
Acha.
Ganito,
Okay.
let's start with Irma. Next is Louie, then next is Annie. Para di ba yan yung ano natin na
Sunod-sunod na lang.
Oh, yeah. So, kasi sabay-sabay kayo. Sunod-sunod kayo. Paki-unmute, so sunod-sunod kayong sumagot sa question.
Ganon. So si
Okay.
Irma, bag si
Oo,
Louie,
hindi
ako
na
last.
isa-isa. So si
Ah,
Irma,
okay.
si Louie, tapos ikaw. Okay, let's
Okay.
start with the fast talk. Describe yourself in one word, Irma. Then Louie, then Annie.
Fierce.
Wow.
Ano yun?
Fierce.
Fierce daw siya, fierce.
Matapang.
Simple.
How about you, Louie?
Ay, sabi ko matapang.
Fearful siya, fearful.
Tagalog ako kasi wika eh.
Ako ay
Ano
simple.
nga?
Simple.
Yeah, simple.
Okay, now.
Irma.
One word lang
Okay.
eh. Sana kung dalawa, may kasunod yun.
O sige nga, pagbigyan natin.
Simple and strong.
Ayun naman pala. Tama. Okay, next question. I-describe nyo naman yung co-celebrators nyo. Okay, let's start again
Irma.
with Irma.
Si Louie, masarap kausap. Yeah. Si Annie, she's my everything.
Okay,
Si
ikaw
Irma.
Louie.
Si Irma Luca. Masarap kasama. Si Annie, mabait. Pero
Thank
mataray din.
Yeah.
Parang ikaw, Louie.
I
Yeah,
know her
ako.
personally too.
Okay.
Siguro,
So,
girls, once
finish
in
na
a
si
while
Louie.
pwede, once in a while pwede tayong mag-unmute para nakikitawa tayo with them, di ba? Mag-unmute muna tayo lahat, pwede yan. Okay, next question. What do you think is your unique...
Oh, si
Hindi
Annie.
pa ako tapos, si Annie
Oh,
pa.
si Annie, sorry.
Okay, si Irma for me, kung siya ay everything niya ako, siya, everything sa lahat. Palagi ko siyang yung pag may problema ako, lahat, yan sila ni Rose. Wala akong, alam mo yung walang wall.
Warrior.
Wala akong barrier. All out ako, wala akong pakialam kung naiinis sila or whatever. Yun silang dalawa. Si Louie sa akin, si Louie yes, mukhang mataray, but Louie is very, very kind and generous. Napakabait niya.
That's
We
true.
all
And
We all agree.
something in common between the three of us, kaming tatlo ay super matataray.
I agree.
Taray talaga kami, but syempre naman, mabait din naman. Huwag naman kayong mabait kami, pero
So mataray
Talagang
with the
obvious
heart.
ba?
You know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
mataray with the
yun.
heart.
Mataray with the heart.
Strong, yeah, mga
Exactly.
strong kami. Babae.
Okay, next question. When was the last time na kinilig ka?
OMG.
Joseph.
Mariosep,
Ako?
Irma, I wanna hear from you, Irma.
Bro, kahapon. Ano kahapon?
Wala bang explanation na yan?
Ayun nga sasabihin ko, wow.
Alam ni Mel.
Pahiram.
Hindi pwede. No. Ay, kayo lang nagtatawanan ha, hindi namin
Kayo
alam.
lang nagkakaintindihan yan.
Oo nga, paki-share naman. Ano ba yung hinihiram
Hindi
nyo?
naman kami, baka...
Ayoko
But
nga
I don't have-
ipahiram eh.
I don't have the right to discuss. Tanong natin si Irma kung gustong ipahiram.
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay.
Fine.
Exclusive use of Irma.
Ha?
So si
Ano?
Irma kinilig kahapon.
Exclusive use of Irma only.
Actually, no. I'm sharing, but
Okay,
okay,
now,
move on. Si Louie.
move on. Let's hear it from Louie.
I think a week ago
Oh,
when I was watching something.
With
Huwag mo
whom?
lang itanong ko ano yung something.
Ay, sabi ko, with whom naman eh? With whom ang sabi ko, with whom? When you're watching
Tatawagan kita,
something, with
Louie.
whom?
No, with my boyfriend. My husband.
ano ba naman yung tanong mo, Mel? Kinikilig pa ba ako?
Oo,
Para
kahit
namang-
nanonood ka lang.
Paano namang hindi na yata ako kinikilig?
Bumili.
Bakit mo nandiyan si
Naubos na, Ani.
Francis? Pagkwenuhan mo naman.
Kailan ba ako last kinilig? Nung last, yung Mother's Day yun. Mother's Day ba yun o birthday ko? Basta may something na ginawa siya na kinilig talaga ako. Huwag mo na rin itanong kung ano yun.
Parang bawal magtanong, ano? Ay, ito na lang yung kasunod.
Pwede
May
rin
follow-up
naman
question.
galing kayo sa washroom.
Dapat yung tanong mo, Mel, may kasamang why ka agad. Para lang may explanation.
Oo nga eh. Okay, so this is the follow-up question. And when was the last time you said, I love you?
I love you. Kanina, sa apo ko.
Okay, that's good.
Good.
Sinuwi.
Me last night with my hubby and my daughter because we had a celebration last night. So I say thank you and I love you
Wow.
guys.
Ako, lagi kong sinasabi yung word na I love you. Use na use sa akin yung word na I love you.
Sa akin, kagabi, sinabi mo.
Sa mga anak ko, sa kaibigan ko, at sa asawa ko. Ako ay ako. Expressive ako kung gusto ko.
Ano yung, okay, next question. Ano yung di ba we're getting older, di ba? Sabi pag matanda na ayaw na ng mga material things. Pero
Younger.
sige lang.
Ayaw
Yeah,
na
we're
what?
getting younger. Ano daw yung pinakamahalagang material na bagay sa buhay mo ngayon?
Okay.
Material. Oh my gosh.
Umihirap.
Material na bagay.
Parang hindi fast
Yes.
talk to, no?
Family is
Mahalaga.
material kasi existing yan, di ba? Family is
Mahalaga.
material.
Material ha, material, okay?
Material, hindi tao. Okay, my new dance dress. Okay. Mahal
Okay.
siya. Material.
My new bag.
Material
Material
pareho.
Oh.
Ako naman, mga material kong mahal, ito, yung mga collection ko na bag na inayos ko kagabi.
Oo.
Kasi
At saka isang
naikabukan.
Barbie. Tsaka isang Barbie na ipapadala mo sa akin.
Oo, nakita ko na. Huwag kang mag-alala. Kasi
Eto naman, we've been together for more than 2 years. What is your most memorable moment with the Zumba Bells?
Ako yung Michael Jackson. I love the Michael Jackson theme. I just saw it last night and I thought, that was super cool.
Okay, thank you.
Ako yung minsan kagulo, minsan hindi. Minsan kulit, minsan hindi. Yun ang memorable sa akin. Hindi yung mga
Marami.
ano.
ako
Minsan may
pinaka-memorable
ayaw,
sa
minsan may hindi. Sorry, Annie, go ahead.
It's all right.
Oh,
Ang pinaka-memorable sa akin, yung sinelebrate nyo yung birthday ko. Siguro nakita nyo yun. Buti na lang hindi na hindi ko makuha ko. Kaya hinahanap-hanap ko yung yung
Sorry.
video.
Hindi ko pa
Video clip.
nahanap.
Super pinasaya nyo ako doon ng mga
Nasa
Zumba
isang
Bells.
computer
Yeah.
ko, sorry.
Sobra nyo akong pinasaya
Alam
yun.
ko na.
Yes.
okay. Next question. Di ba, sabi nga, we're getting younger. So, what is your funniest moment being, sabihin natin, may edad na, yung mga late 50s na memories nyo, what is your funniest moments in life? Yung nakakatawa na nangyari sa'yo, naihi ka na ba habang umuubo?
Nakakatawa ba
Madalas yun
yun? Nakakaiyak yun eh.
Makakainis yun. Lagi ko nagagal.
I don't know. During
Wala
the,
akong maisip.
since 50, yeah, I mean, alam ko, yung kasi si Perry nun, sabi niya, he would always tell me, mukha, when I turned 50, sabi niya, mukha kang batang-bata, you look like you're 49. And whenever I think of that, nakakatawa.
A year
Yeah, that's
younger.
it. Yeah. Ganon si Perry kasi.
Wala akong maisip.
Ano bang isipin ko? Ako
Then, wala akong
naman,
maisip.
alam ko na. Kasi minsan, pero hindi ito nakakatawa, nakakahiya eh. Minsan,
Ayan
talaga-
yan, yung mga yan.
minsan nanood kami ng show sa US. Nagpunta pa kami ng US para manood lang ng show. Tapos sa New York. Tapos talagang ihing-ihina ako. Honest to tell you, hindi ihing-ihina ako. Pero kasi nakaupo na kami. Tapos ang nasa first, pa kami ng upuan. Nag-i-start na yung show. Ngayon sabi ko, ihing-ihina. Sabi ko sa anak ko, ihing-ihina ako, ma'am. Ihing-ihina ako. Sabi niya, ma'am, umihi ka na lamang dyan. Nakaitim ka naman. Pero hindi pa rin ako takot. Maya-maya ako tumakbo na labas. Pero talagang yung nasabi niya, ihi ka na dyan. Nakaitim ka naman.
Si doktora talaga. Pwede ka gumihi ngayon dyan. Nakaitim ka rin eh.
Hindi kasi nakapants ako ng itim.
Oo.
So, pero
Hindi halata.
hindi halata yun pag umihi ka, di ba? Yun ang talagang nung nagpunta kami ng New York, nanood kami ng show. Ano yata yung show yung sa Itbulaga yata yun. Nanood kami. Buti na lang hindi ako umihi.
Sige, yung ihi mo, itutuloy ko.
Okay.
Louie, yung ihi mo, itutuloy ko. Hindi naman ako nahihiya sa mga Zumba bells eh. Ito, tinago-tago ko ito all throughout my life. Ang nakakaalam lang family ko.
Oh.
Nangyari yan sa akin. Nakasakay ako noon wala pa akong kotse. Nakabas kami. Ang sayo ihe, ako natatae. Sobra talaga na hindi ko talaga pala kaya. Alam mo ginawa ko? Sabi ko doon sa driver, para, kahit saang lugar yon. Hindi ko alam kung saan lugar. Bumaba talaga ako kaysa mapahiya ako sa buong bus. Alam mo ginawa? No, may kasama ko. Kasi alam mo ginawa ko? Nangatok ako ng bahay. Naki-CR ako.
Pinasiyar ka naman.
Pinasiyar naman ako. May dala naman akong gamit. Mas nakakahiya yun, ha? Kakahiya yun, nangangatok ka ng ibang bahay para makitae.
Grabe tayo.
Okay. Next question. Medyo yung mga question natin ngayon, hindi na pang bata-bata eh. If it is your last day in this world, sino gusto mong makasama? And what would be your last wish?
Ako alam ko yan eh. Of course, my family. And my last wish will be na sana they will be okay without me. Nakahanda ako. Yeah.
Ako, same thing. My husband and my daughter. And my wish is that they'll have a good life and peaceful life without me.
Ako din the same. My family. Lahat ng my family. At saka yun din, ang wish ko, kung wala na ako, dapat huwag silang mag-aaway-away. Maging masaya sila without me. Yeah, maging masaya sila without me. At, tayo na may mga pinaghirapan natin lahat yung iniwan. Kumbaga, they should cherish it and then wag silang mag-away-away.
So they can sell it if they
Magmahalin
want.
sila.
They can sell it.
Mukhang napakarami niyang mga iiwan nyo, ano?
They can sell it and they can spend it whatever they want to spend it.
Okay, eto naman, medyo papunta tayo sa ganung moment, di ba? Yung may fear na tayo na ganun. Kung bigla nyo naman nasa lubong si San Pedro sa daan, anong sasabihin nyo?
Ako, may-
Sasabihin ko, ba't ako nandito? Hindi ko alam. Bigla eh. I don't know.
I
Yep,
think
that's
I
it.
did it already. Ayun, di ba nung
Oy.
mag-50-50 ako noon, nung hospital ako noon. Tapos nakoma ako ng matagal akong nakoma eh. Nakakoma noon. So, parang lagi nga sabi ko eh. Pero palaging sinasabi ko daw eh, sana huwag muna akong kuhanin kasi kawawa naman yung ganun. Parang ganun. Ganun lagi daw sinasabi ko. Kawawa naman ang aking maiiwan. Parang ganun. I don't know. I don't know San Pedro. Hindi ko na makilala yun.
Ako,
Di ba
Don't know,
sabi
it's-
San Pedro yung sumasalubong sa
Hindi.
sa langit.
Takot yun sa atin.
ako nangyari din yan sa akin nung nanganak ako sa second ko. Hindi naman sinalubong ni San Pedro, boses niya lang. Pero ang sumalubong sa akin, angels. Pero ang sagot ko, alam mo yung sagot tanong ko, bakit ako nandito? Nasaan ang anak ko? Yun lang. Tapos nagising na ako.
May mga experiences na pala kayo na ganun, teka muna. Let's make it lighter. Baka naman inaantay nyo pa yung question ko na, do you still wait for the question, lights on or lights off? Wala na
Ay,
yan.
nakalantay pa.
Last question. When was the last time you had sex?
With
With toy or without?
Commercial
May
break
follow-up
muna.
question.
Commercial break, matagal pa mag-iisip yan.
last night.
Wow!
Wow!
Go, Louie, go!
Hey, birthday ko, Happy birthday. Kayo naman.
Wow, Louie, galing, Louie! I love you for that.
Ay, happy birthday. Kayo naman.
Ako last 3 months ago.
Ako 3 years ago.
Paminsan-minsan na lang yung ganun pagka may
Hindi,
okasyon.
alam mo bakit? Bawal ako kasi
That's
sabi
before,
ng doktor eh.
Nagbigay
before
pa siya
the
ng
operation.
excuse.
Bawal effort.
Nag-excuse ka lang, Ani.
Ako 3 years ago, 3 years nang patay asawa ko. Ano ba kayo?
So, 3 months ago ako. 3 months ago.
Okay.
GP lang
Thank
po
you
tayo.
Thank you so much. That's all for our fast talk. At least may narinig
Wow.
kami from you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mel.
Thanks, Mel.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Mel. Natatawa ako dun sa kwentong ihi at tae.
Hindi, yung talaga mahirap. Hindi kasi
At
naman
least
pag
we get to
naiihi
know
ka,
more about
pag
our
naiihi ka talaga, hirap.
celebrants. Okay? Nalaman ko na 2 months lang pa pala si Annie. Annie, dapat masundan na yan.
Naging excuse. Hoy, naging excuse ko na nga yung
Oo.
operasyon ko eh. Di
At
ba?
si Irma, pwede namang
Ano?
Irma, pwede na rin niyang sundan. Tagal-tagal na din yan. Yung 3 years na yan.
Okay.
Hingi kayo ng tip kay Joy.
Ayun nga, paano susundan?
Buy your toy.
Bibili rin ba siya ng laruan?
Is that
Gawin natin
considered
yan sa
sex?
Sunday, Irma.
It's not considered sex, okay?
It's a game. It's a toy.
Okay, so now let's move on to make our program more lively. Okay, let's have Denise naman for the master of our game. Okay, Denise, are you ready now for the games?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Kasi since we are celebrating triple diamond birthdays this month of August, so I suggested that each one of us bring something or say something, wish for the 3
Diamond Girls, our celebrators.
Excuse
So
me,
look
Denise.
at the,
Excuse me, Denise, pakibaba mo yung camera mo. Ano na hanggang lips lang nakikita. Tumaas ka konti. Yeah.
Yan. Natatakpa ko si Edna. Okay.
Denise,
So,
can I make a
yeah,
request?
so,
Pwede akong mauna. Baka ang hina ng internet, baka mawala ako eh.
sige.
yan
So,
na.
Mel will be the first to say her wish or show something that that reminds you of the 3 Diamond Girls, Diamond Ladies. Mel,
Baka kasi
take it
mawala eh.
away.
Actually, I'm
And then
using you
followed
anyway.
by yung ating attendance, followed by Emily, Esther. Yan.
I'm
Nagka-spotlight
using
ko lang yung tatlo.
I'm using Alex's cellphone. I prepared here a bouquet. Ayan, ang tawag doon sa bouquet na yan, yung flower is Azucena. Mabango siya. Simbango nung tatlong may birthday. Tapos, meron siyang baby's breath. Tapos mayroong isang flower na rose. Actually, kinuha ko yan dyan kay Mama Mary. So, yung tatlong yan, silang tatlo yan na may birthday. Tayo yung mga baby's breath. Tayo yung mga friends niya around. Tapos itong rose na to, si Mama Mary yan. Para guide natin as mothers. And I make it a bouquet para lagi tayong sama-sama. No matter what, whatever happened, lagi tayong ganyan. Kasama. That's all. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
Mel.
thank you,
Thank you,
Mel.
Mel.
Thank you, Mel.
Love you all. Kahit paminsan-minsan may sumpong ako.
Oh, ayan, love you too.
Emily, you're next.
Okay, next, Emily.
Okay, let's have a picture with, how do you call this? Habang nagsasalita. Print.
I already took a
Si,
picture.
si Joy, si Joy ang kumukuha ng picture, Louie.
Okay.
Posted na nga eh. Okay,
Free
sige,
ka
without the
free ka
flowers.
na yan, Louie.
Without the flowers. Okay, look at the camera, guys, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yung mga naka-spotlight lang, yung mga extra story, ha? Sorry, ha, hindi kayong bida ngayon.
O isa pa, isa pa.
Chance.
Isa pa para maliwanag ako.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, okay. Tanggalin mo kasi yung flowers sa ano mo, na-overshadow ka eh. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Look at the camera, ha? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Emily, your turn.
Ano ko na lang dun sa screen ko kasi hindi ko alam yung attendance eh.
Yeah. I'll call, after Emily would be Esther, Eds, and then me.
Hindi, pwede ba yung sa kung paano ko nakikita sa screen ko para mas mabilis?
Yeah.
No,
So, ikaw na lang magsasabi, Emily,
Pwede
kung
na
sino
yan.
yung next.
Sige. Ako na? Oops.
Yay.
Ito. Short but sweet. I got, what is this? Chrysanthemum. Okay. Chrysanthemum daw symbolizes joy and healthy, long life. And that is my wish for the 3 of you, Sungbells. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank
Totoo
you,
yan,
Emily.
Leo.
Thank you.
I got it.
Okay, Emily, without the flowers.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Look at the camera, guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Miss MC, your turn.
MC.
MC, Esther.
I thought si Emily ang magsasabi kung sino yung next.
Sige.
Base
Okay
dun
na,
sa...
okay na.
Ano yung
That's
nasa
okay.
ano. Okay.
Oh, ako game master eh.
Oh,
So,
sige.
okay,
Sorry.
yeah. So, Denise, yeah, who's next?
You.
Ako na,
Naka
okay.
spotlight ka na.
Ako na pala. Okay, I got this one. Straight from the heart. Okay?
Lagay mo sa harap.
Nakikita niyo ba?
Hindi.
Yan. Hindi makita eh. Kaya hindi makita.
Ayan.
Okay. So, this one is like a prayer book. Hindi makita, no?
Sa
Straight
harap
from
mo
the
lagay.
heart.
Sa harap.
Sa harap mo, sa dibdib.
Yan.
Yan.
And
Yan, this
Yan.
one. Straight
Wala
from the
na mukha
heart.
mo.
Okay? Kasi, alam ko mga madadasali na kayo, pero they said that once you reach the age of 60, mas lalo daw kayo magiging madasalin. Sabi nila.
Oh, no.
Totoo yun.
So,
Totoo yun.
itong prayer book na to will inspire, enlightens you, and guide you sa daily task ninyo. So, this is I want you to, I want to give this to you as for your birthday.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hold on.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank
Oh,
you,
hold on with the
Esther.
book. Esther, can you put it like around your neck para makita lang yung mukha mo with the book? Okay, that one. Okay, 1, 2, Irma. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
Eds, your turn,
Okay.
Eds.
Sorry. Nakatulog.
Eds.
Who's
Who's
next?
next?
Si beautiful Eds.
Ah,
Another
Eds.
diamond girl.
sana ko. Hindi. Pero una sa lahat, gusto ko munang magpagliwanagan. Ang nabasa ko silver. Bakit naka-blue kayo? Saan galing yung blue?
Ako
Ano ba
naka-silver
yung
ako. Marami akong silver.
Ah,
Sa ulo ko yung
Sa Zumba special, sabi ko, silver is for the celebrators and then we wear blue para lulutang sila. So it's okay, you're also a diamond girl already. So,
so,
make
hindi
your
ako
wish
nagbasa
for
doon
your
sa special
own.
pala. Ang binasa ko
Yeah.
lang,
It's fine, it's okay.
nagtaka ako bakit ako lang naka-silver. Anyway, so galing ako sa lagnat, praise God, hindi naman siya tumuloy. Sinat lang siguro na over fatigue and na over gata. Dahil nga kararating.
Nasubrahan ka lang. Kaya ganun.
Sabi ko nga kagabi. Hindi, sabi
Wala
ko,
na sa barak ko.
sabi ko, Louie,
Wala
kulang.
nandyan.
Kulang.
Dumating nga
kulang.
kaya
Diba?
ganun. Dumating. Kaya
Dumating.
nasubrahan.
Oh, okay. I'm jealous
Kaya ano
now. Don't
yan?
talk about it. Don't talk about it. Naiinggit ako.
So, well, kung mga sex life nyo ay medyo ano na, sa akin ay medyo okay pa naman. So, ano ba naka-ready sa akin dito? Ito na lang muna. Meron ako itong lotion, hand cream. So,
Lotion ba yan? Hindi naman gel.
Hindi ba yan pang toy? Eds?
hindi
ba
to
yan pang
Filina,
toy?
hindi to Filina, pero kung gusto niya tatanong kayo ng recommendation ng lubricant, I recommend Filina. Wag yung Kiwai Jelly, Filina ang mas maganda. So, pero ito yung hand cream, tip ko sa inyo, para daw hindi maging kulubot ang skin natin yung mga 60, laging dapat meron kayong handy na hand cream, tapos every 5 minutes mag-lotion kayo. Proven to kasi napapansin ko hindi kulubot ang aking hand. So, every now and then mag-lotion ng hand cream. And lagi tayong kumain ng chocolate. Diba? Chocolate, syempre, it has antioxidant properties.
Sabihin mo,
Happy daw
aphrodisiac.
talaga, diba? Ang chocolate, diba? So,
Ano siya? Ang tawag
Aphrodisiac.
natin, aphrodisiac.
Dark ba
lagi
yan?
tayong-
Dark. Kailangan
Ah.
dark.
Joy, picturean mo na ako. Para lagi tayong happy. Tayo lagi ng chocolate.
Ready?
And
1,
can
2.
you see,
Okay, got it.
sa inyong tatlo, sana patuloy tayong maging close sa isa't isa. Although mataray tayong lahat, siyempre hindi mataray dito.
Ako.
Si Joy ang queen.
Ano?
Sabi ni Joy, siya daw ang hindi mataray. Sabi ko siya ang queen.
Oh, yan ang first impression ko
why siya
talaga
ang
kay
queen.
Joy. Una ko siyang makita.
I'm okay with that.
Sobra naman taray ng babaeng yan. Long
Ay,
time ago.
hindi ko birthday. Huwag natin pag-usapan si Joy.
Very sweet yan. For all you know, sweet si Joy. Akala nyo lang
I know,
ganyan.
mabait
Yeah,
siya.
yes.
Mabait siya
Sweet
pag
Hindi
yan.
ko birthday. Change the topic.
Joy, pasyal muli ako ha. Pabalik ako dyan.
So,
Okay, without the present set.
yun,
Oh, okay.
ano bang wish sa mga ganitong edad? So, dapat ingat tayo lagi, di ba? Laging
Good health.
living, and para maging happy tayo, think happy thoughts lang lagi, maging kalmado lang lagi, i-control natin ating mga temper, ang mga katarayan, i-tame natin ating mga sarili dahil napapansin ko, pag mataray tayo at nagagalit tayo, tayo ang lugi eh. Parang dati ako rin, palaban ako eh, pag nagalit ako, wala akong pakialam. Pero ngayon, pag nagagalit ako, akong lugi. Parang affected na ako. Parang sinecheck ko ng BP ko. Parang tumataas talaga ang BP ko na pag nagagalit. So, 16 na tayo. So, konting dahan-dahan na sa mga galit. Dagdagan ang pasensya, lalo na sa mga kasama natin sa bahay. So, wala tayong magagawa. Sabi nga, pag nagalit tayo, ang lagi na lang natin sabihin, pag hindi natin nagustuhan ng ginagawa nila, ang lagi natin itanim sa isip natin, hindi sila tayo. Kasi kung tayo, hindi ganun ang reaction natin, pero hindi sila tayo. So, parang ganun na lang lagi sinasabi ko, hindi kasi ikaw si Eds. Kaya ganun ang action mo. So, tahimik na ako kasi kung si Eds ka, hindi ka ganyan. So, hindi ka si Eds, wala akong magagawa sa iyo. 'Di ba? So, ganun na lang ating mga mindset. Mindset natin ayusin kasi yun na nga, iba na ang edad natin. Yun lang. Stay happy, maging indestructible tayo lagi.
Thank
Wala
you.
tayo, di tayo paapekto sa iba. Babush.
Babu, thank you.
Wow. So take it from another diamond lady, diba? Oh, my turn. Okay, my turn. Since pakulo ko to, nag-prepare ako ng konti.
See?
So,
Mas nabasa niyo
first
ganito,
for,
Konti lang.
Hindi ako prepared.
konti lang, maliit. First for Irma. Kita nyo ba? This one?
Yeah, I can see it. It's a lollipop.
Lagay mo sa may
No,
chin
it's
mo.
actually,
What is
it's
it?
actually, pang massage.
Sorry.
Diba?
Yeah,
Yeah.
So
akala ko
keep on
lollipop.
dancing. Keep on dancing. That keeps you young and healthy. But if you
Akala ko yung
feel
toy na yan,
tired or
Joy.
pain, ayan, ano lang, puk, 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 puk. Massage, massage. And
Thank
then
you.
for Annie, I
Yeah.
wish you good health. Sana bumalik yung ano mo. And I know it will come in time. So I have here. It's pain relief rub na may scent. Favorite ni Matthew. May ano siya, may, I don't know. It's ginger, beeswax ginger oil. So health is wealth. And ito, pahid-pahid lang. Kung saan masakit din. Massage. That's for
Thank
Annie.
you. Thank you.
And then for our sweet and
Wow.
very patient and generous Sumbabel, Louie, I
Wow.
get you a rosary.
Oh, thank you.
Kasi madalas a-attend siya ng mass, meron siyang novena. So tama nga, diba? At this point in time, we get more religious. So this is a rosary, not rosary de Castro, but a rosary that you can use to pray. And finally, for the 3 golden Ladies, I have, hindi
Ano
makita.
pa diamond?
Diamond.
Yeah, diamond, sorry. It's a, ano ba yan? Hindi makita. Paano ko bang ilalabas?
Put it
Oh,
under
it's
your chin. Louie,
Tumayo
like
ka.
that. Yeah.
No, Denise.
Tumayo ka. Ayan.
There you go.
Denise yan na.
What is that? I like that. Oh, it's the tulips. Is it tulips?
Lily.
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
lily.
this is actually Stargazer and Anturium. So
Oh,
it
Anturium. Oh,
represents-
okay.
Yeah. So it
Anturium, okay.
represents the beauty, the resilience of you, Diamond ladies. Stargazer is mabango. The Anturium lasts for a long time. So, yan, that's my wish for you. Laging mabango, laging malakas, graceful, and grateful. Happy birthday.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Next would be Rose.
Sure. May picture na, Joy?
May picture na kami.
Yeah, okay, we'll take another one. Annie, ibaba mo na yan, Denise, kasi ano yan.
Baba ko na.
No.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Look at the camera, okay? 1, 2, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you. Rose.
Yes. Again,
Si Weng
happy
po, pasok.
birthday.
Hold on.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Rose.
Yan. Happy birthday, Louie, Irma, Annie.
Nakasingit. Hi, Simba Bells. Nakasingit ako. Happy birthday, ladies.
Who's that?
Oh, sino yun?
Si
Wait.
Weng.
Weng.
We're on our
Weng.
way.
Okay.
Thank
Wala
you,
kang
Weng.
video, Weng. Weng, gusto mo mauna ka?
No, it's okay. Sumilip lang ako. Babati lang ako.
Thanks, Weng.
Bye, Weng.
I sent,
Bye.
Thank you, Weng. Thank you.
I sent you pictures and videos.
Yes, I did. Thanks.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye, Weng.
Okay.
Okay, Rose.
It's my turn.
Continue.
Yes, my turn to greet our birthday celebrants. Happy birthday again, Louie, Irma, and Annie.
Thank
So my
you.
gift is a rose, a yellow. This is a flower, a yellow flower, which symbolizes happiness, optimism, loyalty, and positivity. So these are all your characteristics. So just continue to be happy, optimistic, loyal, and positive in life. And another gift is a rosary with a picture of San Pedro Calunsod, siya, our saint. And of course, Mama Mary. You know, a rosary is more than a prayer. It symbolizes our destiny in and with God. So with the rosary, we are always connected with God. So these are all my gifts, and I'm wishing more happiness, health, continuous blessing, and protection for the 3 birthday celebrants. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rose.
Okay, let's have a picture with Rose without those presents, Rose.
Picture
Wala.
with me.
Without the presents. Tanggalin mo yung presents.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ready? Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Your turn, Joy, and then followed by Serena, and finally Lita.
Okay, before my turn, can we have Esther again? Kasi hindi ko nakuha yung picture niya na without the presents.
Picture daw, Esther.
With Esther. Okay, ready? Without the
Okay.
presents. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right,
Okay. Thank you, Joy.
you're welcome. Ako na?
Ikaw na.
Wala akong, I don't have long speeches kasi hindi ako marunong ng ganon, but I got sunflower for the three of you. Paghati-hati na lang kayo, mag-share na lang kayo, okay?
Akin yung may buto, ha? Akin yung buto.
No, kahit na po mag-share kayo. So that it will grow, okay? The flower symbolizes for you to keep on shining. Okay? Starting with Irma's birthday on kailan ba yun? 27th night. Talagang pasasayawin kami, so I guess we have to dance. Pero I constructed the kiats na handa ako ng pagkain. Kasi gugutumin ako pag hindi kain lang ng kain, walang kain. But anyhow, I wish you long life and good health and more travels that we can all be traveling together. Ano ba yan? Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay. O bang kukuha ng picture? O sige na nga.
Sige lang, mag-post ka, ako magkukuha. Bibigay ko sa'yo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pero yung without.
The picture. Okay, without the gift. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Karina.
Okay. So, yung sa akin will be short and sweet. So, my gift for all of you will be this lovely heart. Okay. And then this means that I will always give you my heart and understanding because I really care for you and I love you all. So, yun lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So sweet.
Okay, let's have a picture without the gift, Serena. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
So finally, our senator
Or senator?
will
What do
wish
you
the
mean?
3 Diamond Girls. Yeah. Our senatorial candidate, Miss
Who?
Lita Tan.
Oh, she's running for Senate?
To our celebrators. Long life, best of health, and abundant blessings. Meron din akong pin-prepare na gift, spontaneous lang, no? For Irma, ewan ko nakikita nyo ba, a decor memorabilia? Nakikita ba, Joy?
Oh.
It's a
Hell yeah.
Oh,
decor,
it's a souvenir plate.
Yes, we can see.
It's a
yeah,
souvenir
it's a decor memorabilia from Cultura with a renowned Philippine jeepney on it. So find it in your heart to remember our college journey, our humble beginning riding on the cheap but sweet ride to our school and back home. Uwi na, so I can hand you over this memorable thing.
Okay, uwi na ako.
Okay. Second, Louis, my gift for you is a tote bag from Cultura with map of the Philippines. So you will remain in your heart, your unforgettable memories in your native land, in spite of you living your life abroad. I also remember the bountiful stuff he showed us. I don't know if it's last Christmas, para may sisidlang ka ng abubot. Okay. And last, for Annie, my gift for you is a Padre Pio memorabilia from Batangas, praying for his powerful intercession for your complete healing. Continuing protection as you enjoy the warmth of your family and friends. May you always feel the love and experience the power of God in everything you do. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Lita.
Amen.
So sweet. Thank
Okay,
you.
let's have a picture without those gifts, Dida.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, look at the camera, guys. 1, 2, 3. All right.
My toes.
Si Denise. Nawala si Denise.
Si Denise.
Denise, meron pa?
No,
Okay.
that's the end of it. Wala nang ano, 'di ba? We're complete. We made all our wishes for the 3 Diamond Girls. So we'll do the wine toast. Kumuha ako
Wine
actually
toast.
ng
We don't
baso.
have any more games. That's it
Teka.
na.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay, so thank you for all
Sandali, kukuha lang
your
ako ng ano, sandali.
thank you for all your messages, the ating 3 diamond ladies. Okay, so now they said that wine gets delicious when it's old. So as you turn 60, may we call on
Napipris ka.
Serena?
Nag-freeze si Esther.
Oh, okay.
Napipris ako.
Does everyone have their glasses?
Okay.
Okay. So let's all raise our glasses for the birthday celebrators. So today, our Zumba Bells. Dear Zumba Bells, I am once again honored to lead the toast for 3 kind souls that heaven gave to us on an August, the Sunday of summer. So this is a toast for 3 Zumba Bells who gave us the energy that kept us going. So 3 JPNs who make this group proud and mighty. 3 friends who make us smile a lot, laugh harder, and cry a little less. And I offer the first toast to Louis. So Louis, may you continue to be the ever dependable mother hen of this group. Please continue to cuddle us with your wise words and with your love. We can only wish that you, Louis, could share one treasured secret, where to find the stream of knowledge from which you draw your endless stories of wisdom. Well, if you cannot, we can only hope that you will continue to keep us beautiful and healthy with your never-ending tips on how best we could take care of ourselves. So Louis, allow us to take this opportunity to thank you deeply for the benevolence that you have shown in various charities, for hosting our Zumba sessions, especially when one of the hosts would be in a bind or perhaps experiencing a senior moment, and also for initiating the online greeting card signing that I, for one, treasured and cherished. So a person as generous as you are, Louis, should be rewarded with the longest life. So happy birthday. Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well said, Zorina.
Thank you, Serena. It's nice
Thank
words.
you. So the second of the 3 toasts goes to Annie. Okay. So Annie, on your birthday, the Zumba Bells are all with you in praying for your continuous swift recovery from your recent eye surgery. We are sure that heaven will give you not just a brighter vision, but also a brighter future. I have to confess to everyone here that I am super proud to mention that you are my fellow alae. So, Digay, Ani, ganon. So, I don't need to emphasize, though, how tenacious Batangueñas are. It is, after all, a well-known legend. Alae ay katapanga, as in tough with a heart. Diba? So, Annie, please continue to be an open-minded sister that you have been with us. And here's wishing you the best of health, and the greatest happiness in the world as you make more trips around the sun. So happy birthday, Annie. Cheers.
Okay, look at the camera.
Cheers.
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 Thank you, Zarina, for that nice
Welcome.
words.
So last but not the least, the third toast goes to Irma. Irma, continue to live your life to the fullest. I know you endured so much and persevered for a long time, but you did it out of your unconditional love for Perry and your family. You were selfless. Now that you have the opportunity, now that you have the time with your friends, continue to explore and travel around the world. So enjoy your time with your kids and beautiful 3 grandkids. And you know, we JPians are so happy to see you living your dream now and enjoying your passion to dance. So you will always be like what I think Esther said, you will always be our dancing queen. I know that Perry is sharing the same happiness and he is here with us today celebrating your birthday. So we wish you nothing but all happiness in life. So stay
And the
blessed.
boyfriend.
And a boyfriend, of course.
Just kidding.
Stay blessed in the, coming soon.
Just kidding.
Stay
Kaya pala
blessed.
Si Zarina nawala eh.
Stay blessed and inspired, okay? But most of all, stay gorgeous and sexy, just like the pictures that we've been seeing from the video a while ago. So happy birthday, Irma. Cheers to long life.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Thank you.
O, cheers ulit lahat. Ayan.
Let me have a picture with Annie again kasi
Oh,
she's covered nung nag-cheers eh.
si Annie?
Yeah.
Teka.
Okay.
Ay,
Annie and Z. Kasi
Annie and
nagputos eh.
Annie and C. Okay.
Okay, ready. Oh, baliktad na. Okay. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Lahat. Lahat toast. Okay. Picture lahat. Cheers. Naka-gallery.
Hindi lahat kasi naka-spotlight si Emily.
Ay, naka-gallery ako ah.
Ilagay ko sa gallery. Okay. Yeah, okay, gallery. Okay, ready.
Cheers.
1, 2, cheers to our birthday girls. 1, 2, 3.
cheers.
Okay. All right.
All right. So thank you very much, Serena. What's next? So, acknowledgement na ba tayo, Emily?
Ikaw na.
Ano pang, ano natin? Do we have other, special something?
Wala tayong special guest, right? Wala.
Wala tayong special guest. Okay. So, thank you very much to everyone who participated on this special day of our dear Sumba Bells. So for the acknowledgement, we would like to thank, of course, Emily, for the host today, for reminding us also kapag may nakakalimutan tayo. Of course, Rose, for always bringing us the beautiful prayers, and Joy, our official photographer, who always
Yes, yes.
captured our special moment na pwede kang mag-request na ulitin kapag ikaw ay nakapikit. Okay. And then Mel, of course, sa kanyang very creative cake and fast talk. Okay. And sino pa ba? Si Denise. Denise, who always making our program lively. This is a very special preparations na ginawa niya so that we all were able to present our special gifts to the birthday celebrants. And of course, Serena always captivated us with her beautiful message. Thank you. So for the 3 celebrants, can we ask for some messages?
Okay.
Okay.
Same order. Okay, I'll go first.
So
Okay. Thank you for this celebration, and yeah, I hope to see you soon over there. And
yes.
I'm having a birthday party on Saturday. So of course my JPIA family is invited. So just watch out. I will do a Facebook Live, and it's like you're gonna be at the party. So yeah, and thank you so much again. I am already enjoying my birthday week. Peace.
Wow. Thank you. Okay. How about
Irma,
Annie?
pause. Hold on. Okay, Irma.
Yep.
Smile.
Smile.
1, 2, 3. Okay. O ba't ako naka-spotlight? Hindi ako kasali dyan.
Thank
Photographer
you.
lang ako. Photographer lang ako.
Nakunan mo ba si Irma? Hindi ko siya na-spotlight
Ano, nakunan mo eh.
Nakunan mo?
Yeah.
O sige, sino?
I'm
Annie?
sure she wouldn't mind doing it again and again, right, Irma?
No, it's okay. I'm good.
O, si Annie na lang.
Okay,
Okay.
next Annie.
Thank you so much sa inyong effort. Alam ko na, lalo na, napapasalamat ako kay Denise. It has been a very nice program. To all of you, sa lahat ng contributor, na ma-celebrate namin ito kahit na ito ay second timer na kami. And then, maraming salamat sa kahit magsi-61st birthday ako sa 28 eh. How I wish I can join Lori, pero meron din akong konting celebration on my birthday. Sasabay ko na rin yung blessing ng aking small abode. So, thank you so much for everything. To all of you Zumba Bells na lahat kayo nagbibigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob kung bakit ako ay strong pa rin hanggang ngayon. Siyempre, marami din tayong pinagdadaanan. Hindi lang halata sa mukha ko dahil lagi ako nakasmile. Pero siyempre, thank you rin dun sa prayers at saka dun sa sino nag-wish kanina, ay kay Zorina. And then dun sa mga lahat ng nag-wish para sa health ko. Thank you so much. Sana nga bigyan pa ako ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para makasama kayong lahat. Tsaka ang aking family. Thank you.
Oh naman.
Okay, Annie.
Continuous
Okay,
prayer.
picture Annie. Okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. Next
So ako
is
na.
Louie.
Well, all I can say is thank you, everyone. I know I'm busy because August is my giving. August and December is my giving something. So anyway, it's for pasensya na kasi ako talagang hindi masyadong nakaka-attend. But anyway, I make sure that every time Emily called me or messaged me, I try to open everything and see what I can do. But anyway, thanks for the efforts and thanks for everything. And I hope that okay lang tayo lagi. And all of us are healthy and all of us are, let's say, we stay together kahit na matapos pa ang Zumba. Anyway, thank you guys.
Okay, Louie.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ako laging ngumingiti sa camera eh. Hindi ko lang kinakuha ang sarili ko. Okay, yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Thank you,
that ends our
everyone.
special celebration. So you can talk anything.
Gutom na.
Thank you so much.
Sasayaw
Thank
pa ako
you.
mamaya.
Emily,
Thank you everyone.
Emily, sorry, hindi ko agad na, tapos na ba? Kasi nagre-record
Yeah.
ako eh. Tapusin ko na
Yeah,
recording.
tapos na.
Tapusin ko
Thank
na
you.
recording
You can
ha.
stop recording.